الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه وبعد. Welcome to the first lesson in our series of lessons entitled Aqeedah Made Easy. Aqeedah Made Easy, and this is based upon a book of the same name in Arabic, Al-Aqeedah Al-Muyassara, written by Sheikh Dr. Ahmed Al-Qadi, Hafidhahullah Ta'ala. Dr. Ahmed Al-Qadi is a scholar who resides in Qasim in Saudi Arabia, and he was one of the main students of the scholar, the Sheikh Muhammad ibn Salih Al-Uthaymeen, rahimahullah ta'ala. He was from the main students of the Sheikh, who has taken the knowledge from the Sheikh Muhammad ibn Salih Al-Uthaymeen, rahimahullah ta'ala. So without further ado, we'll start, we'll go through the book, and we will try to make these lessons as short as possible. We'll try and make these lessons as short as possible. Okay, so the Sheikh begins his book with his introduction. And after the praise of Allah and sending salutations upon the Prophet ﷺ, we say that indeed Allah sent the Messenger ﷺ with the guidance and the true religion to take mankind out of the darknesses into the light, and from misguidance, from clear misguidance to complete guidance. From clear misguidance, they were in clear error, they were clearly astray, and Allah sent this messenger to take them from this misguidance and from this error into guidance, into complete guidance. Not just guidance, into complete guidance, by which their chest, by which they could become at ease, and they can find their heart's tranquility. For indeed guidance, it is the beneficial knowledge, and the religion of truth is the action, the righteous actions. So the guidance is the beneficial knowledge. So the guidance is knowing that which is correct. And by knowing that which is correct, we benefit from that knowledge. And the Deen al-Haq, the true religion, is acting upon that acting upon that beneficial knowledge, acting upon that guidance. And that acting upon that guidance is righteous knowledge, is righteous action. And upon these two pillars of guidance, which is the knowledge, beneficial knowledge, and righteous actions, upon these two pillars, we gain success in our life, or a successful life is built upon these two pillars. A successful life is built upon these two pillars: knowing the correct knowledge, knowing the guidance, which is the correct knowledge, which is the beneficial knowledge, and then doing righteous actions, which is the manifestation of that knowledge. The manifestation of that knowledge. And these are the two pillars upon which one can lead a successful and good life. And then Allah Ta'ala, in his book, which he revealed in it everything that individual, a human, a person, mankind and jinn would need, whether it's concerning what they need to believe, or whether it's concerning the actions of worship that they need to produce, or they need to do, or the transactions and interactions that they have to have, whether those interactions and transactions are monetary, or those interactions are based upon manners and morals. So the religion encompasses all of this. The religion that the Prophet Allah sent in the Quran and in the Sunnah of His Messenger ﷺ encompasses all of this. The Quran gave us the general principles. The Quran, in the Quran, Allah Ta'ala revealed the general principles, which give us the outline of our beliefs, our worship, our transactions, and our manners and morals. The Sunnah was sent to explain what those general principles that the Quran laid down. So the Sunnah is an explanation, a clarification, an explanation, a clarification, and expounding of that which was mentioned in general terms in the Quran, and specifying that which was mentioned in generally in the Quran. Also, it gives exceptions. It gives specific examples, specific matters which explain and clarify and expound upon that which was mentioned generally in the Quran. As the Prophet ﷺ said, "Ala inni utitul kitab wa mithlahu ma'a." Verily, I have been given the book, the Quran, and something like it with it. And Allah has said, وَمَا يَنْطِقُ عَنِ الْهَوَىٰ إِنْ هُوَ إِلَّا وَحْيٌ يُوحَىٰ, that he does not speak of his own desire, but it is only a revelation. So whatever came out, whatever the Prophet ﷺ said, did, or approved, then that is only due to a revelation from Allah Azza wa Jal. And this hadith, "Ala inni utitul kitab wa mithlahu ma'a," is reported by Abu Dawood on the authority of Miqdam ibn Ma'di Yakrib radiyallahu an. And with that, we come to the end of our first lesson. وصلى الله على نبينا محمد والله أعلم.